Good morning, good afternoon, good evening guys, wherever you are in this beautiful world, whenever you're watching this YouTube video, welcome to the Bitcoin Family YouTube channel. For the newcomers, my name is Didi and I like to wear Bitcoin caps. Over here, over there, this is the 4-hour chart guys. Yes, I'm working on the Aurochs platform because the Bam Bam indicator is there. Soon some news about this as well, if we look at TradingView. Guys, the long flag is over there. We can see this over there behind the candle. Then this candle is closing above the yellow stepping line, probably in 3 hours. We have the Bam Bam crossing over there. And in the bottom, we can see that, let's make it bigger, there is a green dot, green area is starting, and the green line is on top. So this is a perfect combination to take a trade because of the quadruple confirmation in the BAM. But we can already see the blue signal line crossing down a little bit, and the gray line is pretty flat. It should be curling up a little bit more. And we look at the chart, we can see the volume is decreasing, and the Bollinger Band width is not that big. So it's a kind of risky trade. The trade would be better when you, one second, for example, enter a trade like over here, where you can see that the Bollinger Band starts to widen up. Then you see that there is more potential to the upside. Here I don't see the Bollinger Band widening up yet. This is a possible trade if this candle closes above that yellow stepping line in 3 hours by now. Now, if we zoom out, we go to this one, and we go to TradingView now. This is the 4-hour chart as well, but we can zoom out a little bit into the candle so you can see that I've been sharing this all week. That we find support on this beautiful line of the logarithmic growth curve, and again we came down below it, but we're bouncing back above it. So this line is kind of important at the moment for Bitcoin, and needs to become support so we can build up again all the way up to the 45k area over there. In the weekly, still the same. I still don't like this candle over here. This weekly close of last week, yesterday evening, has a large wick and a small red body. I don't like these kind of candles. These kinds of candles often mean reversal, so for me it's not the positive candle. The candle that's building now is a positive candle, and again I will keep repeating it. We need to close this candle above that yellow stepping line around 42,000 for me to become really bullish on the weekly again. The long flag was there, it was a good call, but we still need to confirm now the closing above this one to be able to go up to new all-time highs, guys. Now, if you want to trade all of this, then please use the links down below the video. You can get up to a $4,100 bonus on Bybit, where you get also 30% fee discount and a free Bybit Launchpad access. On OKX, at the moment, the bonus is up to $5,000 US. Amazing bonuses, guys. Now, something else, I don't know if you already knew, but if you didn't know, now you will know. This is the free GT-GAR indicator. This is the one you can get for free at thebitcoinfamily.com. This indicator helps you to determine when to enter or exit a trade. Like this trade over here, this is on the 1-hour chart. Green, amber, red, that's a traffic light combinations, even 2 ambers and then the red, is an indication the market is going to move upwards. This could be a good entry point or a long. The other way around, when we see a green, amber, red to the downside, this is an indication, be aware, we could turn around in the market to the bottom. So this is indicating when to take an entry or an exit. And yes, it also, when we zoom out, let's go for example to the 4-hour chart just to show you. It also has the moon cycles built into the indicators. So you can see the moon cycles with the gray and the white dot. So that will mean a new moon and a full moon cycle, guys. So really cool. If you want to have it, go to thebitcoinfamily.com and you will find this all in the products category GT-GAR. And you need to go to 5 steps and you have this indicator for free. Now, is there any more charts? Yes, we have 2 more charts, and that is these ones, because they will tell you exactly the opposite. And that is how I see the market at the moment. It's giving me very mixed signals. And I don't like these mixed signals, but it is how it is. So on this first chart, guys, you will see this: the total supply and profit held by short-term holders, 7-day exponential moving average. This one was created by the real Plan C. I found him on Twitter. If you look at this chart, you're kind of need to be bullish, because if you look here at the bottom, every time when we hit that black line, the bottom line, with that yellow signal line, the market turns around. So we switch from the yellowish area to the green area. Now again, here we hit that bottom in the yellow area almost 2 times, and then we switch to the green area. You can see, and the green area is the bullish part. Here also, every time when we hit that bottom in the yellow area, there comes a green area. So now again, in this yellow area, we have been 2 times at the bottom. So what are we going to do now? Is the market again turning around into a green market? That would mean that we would lead up to that new all-time high. This is the bullish chart. The bearish chart I found also on Twitter, BAM, is this one. Here, this is the accumulation phase floor confirmation cross, which means every time when we see a cross, here the blue line crossing the green line, a few days later or 29 days later, we see the black line, the price line, touching that green line. Here. Here again, this one was 15 days before. When we see the blue line crossing that green line, 15 days later, we touch that green line over there. Here again, on the same day when the blue line crossed that green line, we touched that green line. Now, 9 days ago, the blue line started to cross that green line again. Is this an indication that the price needs to go to that green line? That green line at the moment is around 27K. So this is the bearish chart. So this is exactly what I mean with mixed signals from the market. Some of the signals are very bullish, some of them are very bearish. So at these moments, it's difficult to make 2 trades. But in the long term, if you zoom out enough, you do understand that Bitcoin is going up. We can go a little bit lower again to pick up some more Bitcoins, buy the dips, but at the end, we will go higher again. But for me, at the moment, the market is like making up its mind. Are we going to go up to this new all-time high, or are we going to go a little bit lower to pick up some more friends that will buy Bitcoin at lower prices? I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, then please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment, because I love to respond to your comments. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow again. Bam.